Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to order on Pure Gold app online delivery. So first is you have to download the Pure Gold application on your mobile device. So download it from App Store or Play Store. After that, you just have to create your account and then verify your identity. After that, right here, once you're on your dashboard, you have these options below. So we have the order now option or the delivery option. So make sure to tap on the order now option. Okay. And then right here, as you can see, placing an order. Standard ordering time is from 6 a.m. up to 11:59 p.m. on a daily basis. So, delivery of the product shall be made to the shipping address you specify in your order in the Pure mobile app through the partner courier. So, make sure that your location has the Pure Gold branch. Okay. After that, tap on continue. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do here is to add your address. So make sure that your address is correct so that they will deliver your items through your door. Okay, so right here you just have to type the contact person and your address and then the label. So we have home, office, or other. Okay, so make sure that for the payment method, PureGold supports different payment methods like GCash, debit card, or cash on delivery. So just have to choose your store or branch, and once you've logged in, just have to select a nearby branch of PureGold that serves your area. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.